This video shows how you can do simple mathematical calculations in Google spreadsheet. So we are going to see how to add two numbers or more than two numbers, then how to subtract numbers, how to multiply, how to make the divisions, how to divide the numbers, how to get the remainder, how to take the average of the numbers, all these things. So we have got these three numbers. We are going to perform operations on these three. So to get the sum, what you have to do is you have to use this function sum, and then here you can give the range or give the list of numbers that you want to add. So right now given C3 and C5. If I want to take the sum of C4 as well, then I can just add it like that, and just hit enter. Then it will give the sum of three numbers. Then to subtract numbers, what you have to do is you can directly use this dash operator or minus operator. C3 minus C4, that is number 1 minus number 2, that is 44. Answer is 44. Then to multiply two numbers, again you can use star operator. That will multiply two numbers is equal to C3 into C4. So the multiplication of these two numbers we have done here. Then to take the division, you have to use this operator slash forward slash and C3 divided by C4. So output should be 5. Then to take the remainder of the division, then you can use this particular method or function mod and C3 C4. So it will divide C3 by C4, and whatever is the remainder it will print the output. So if you divide 55 by 11, the output remainder will be 0, so the output is 0 here. Then to take the average of numbers, then you can use this method or function average, and here you can give the list of numbers or range of the numbers. So I have given C3 to C5, that is C3, C4, C5. All these numbers are counted, and then it will take the average. So what it does is that it will take the sum of three numbers and then divide it by 3, because there are three numbers, and then output will be printed here. That's how you can do simple mathematical calculations in Google spreadsheet. It's very simple. If you have more questions, let me know through the comments.